Dude, it is going to be a hot one today. Ooh, we got a Type R right behind us. Same day as the cruise that we just finished. This is just gonna be another vlog for you guys. But we're gonna be checking out Super Honda meet right here. So we're gonna go check out some of the races that's going on over there, and then we're just gonna be walking around checking out some of the cars and shit. So I'll be seeing you guys in a bit. Oh, what's up, dude? I know I was gonna see a couple of you guys here. Nice to meet you, man.
Most def.
Yeah, for sure, man.
Attention.
It's good. We just came back from a car meet.
Yeah?
From a cruise hitting Angeles Crest.
Nice.
Dude, there was like at least 10 of us over there.
Jeez.
Nice to meet you. What was your name?
Koi.
Koi?
Yeah.
Man, nice to meet you, man. Yeah. Oh, sorry, babe. Oh my God. That's the supercharger. This is nice. Saw on the freeway. Oh shoot! Because there's music playing in the background, I'm gonna try to edit it as best as possible. That way I don't get copyrighted. So this vlog's gonna be all over the place because of that. Oh dude, an 8th gen or this?
Look at this shiny.
This is...
I know.
Isa, what do you think?
I love it, dude. I love it.
Wide body S2K?
Yeah, so I also like it.
That's the older version of Mighty's car. The
Are you
CRV,
serious?
yeah. Oh hell yeah, dude. Mighty, where are you? Okay, after this we're gonna go check out some of the drag races going on over there. So
Tell your mother, tell your father, send a telegram. I'm like,
oh my God, Isa, look. You still want a Miata?
After this, I'm not sure anymore.
Dude, that's sick. Dude, I want a Mugen so bad. This is in great condition too.
Thank you.
It's yours?
My mom's.
Oh wow, dude, this is nice.
This is mine. This is my baby. That's her.
Bro, you can't go wrong with either or. You cannot go wrong with either or, man. You guys have amazing rides.
No, thank you. No, appreciate it.
Yeah, of course. Dude. What's up?
You brought the Civic or what?
It's parked out there.
I miss the old Civic though.
Oh, dude. Tell me about it.
I'm upside down here like he's getting a test gen. No.
Hey man, it is what it is though, dude. Like it's fun. I love the car. I'm getting back into an 8th gen for sure though, dude. I gotta do it for you guys.
Get an FB6?
V6?
No, the FB6.
Oh my God. That'd be nice. That would be hella nice.
FB6.
That would be nice. Oh shit.
Pretty good turnout.
Yeah, it's a lot bigger than the last time that I remember. So this is gonna be fucking hot.
I'm in a Honda Fit, so okay.
Hey, fuck it.
It's getting K-swapped.
There you go. That's the answer right there. Case off the world.
Every day.
For sure, man.
All right, nice seeing you.
Yeah, man, take care. Get a taggy. Ooh, this white one. Oh, hell yeah. What is it? It's called test runs.
And I don't think you get down, bro. It's a bad
He was here at Elite Tuner a couple months ago too. You know. He missed the gear. He missed the gear.
I saw that
He
shit.
missed the gear. Yeah.
But
Happens to the best of us.
Everybody misses the gear.
Oh yeah. Hell yeah, dude. So many nice cars here, guys. Oh my god. This is. You guys gotta convince my sister to buy a Honda. Just saying. Comment down below which one you think she should get.
Look at Naruto. I do that
Get
sometimes.
a Honda, bruh.
I do that sometimes.
Get a Honda.
That one's nice though. I like that one. What model is that? What model is it?
That's a 9th gen Civic Si.
Yeah?
The model before mine and the one after my 8th gen.
I like the up on the side?
I could help you look for them. They come in coupe and sedan.
I like the lights on that one.
So this is on this one?
Yeah.
So that's the same Integra. They just have a different front
Different
end.
light?
Yep, that's an Integra.
Wow.
You can do,
really swap
yeah, you can swap whatever you want on it. You can find a base model Rv6, a 5-speed manual for like under $5 grand. And it's an 05. These are nice. I would totally offer one.
I want to see the hood down.
That's crazy. That's dope, man. How much money do you think went into that? Oh yeah. Fucking hey, dude. Dude, look at the meat. How much tire this guy has right here. Shit. Look at that. Dude, this one's crazy. Like, this one's crazy dope. The amount of money we put in this car community. It's pretty crazy. Too much copyrighted music. Oh my god. I saw your car chilling over there, dude.
Yeah, doing my girls and stuff.
Is she doing okay?
Yeah. She's hungry.
Yeah.
She's pregnant. That's all.
Oh shit! Congratulations, man. So,
Baby daddy.
there you go, man. Yeah, there you go, dude. I'll see you around. The nice thing about this one is that you have a blue, black, red, and yellow Civic. Check it out. And they're all SIs. I saw a couple of you guys already, so thanks for saying what's up, and that was pretty dope. So we're just gonna be walking around again and probably gonna call it a day. I'm not usually here all day, so a few hours and that's it. Dude, this is sick. Anyways guys, bringing it back home from the Super Honda meet. That's probably one of the biggest Honda meets you'll find here in Southern California. A lot of drag races going on right away, so that was really sick. Couldn't really record as much without getting copyrighted, so I took more pictures than anything else and hung out at the drag strip. I highly recommend you guys check this meet out whenever it happens. There are a lot of classic Hondas. There's so many NSXs, and I think I convinced my sister in looking into a Civic or an Integra. So we'll see what's up with that. Anyways guys, I'll see you guys in another video. Hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys have a good day. Peace.